You probably heard that saying that there is no such thing as bad dogs, only bad owners. This guy is here to prove us that that sentence totally makes sense. This dog looks quite aggressive, and you know that lots of work is needed to calm it down. We can tell that he or she does not like people that much. Probably something happened in the past that made the dog have these feelings. The amazing trainer is giving his all to make a difference in these dogs' lives. They don't seem to appreciate his help in the beginning, as they're still not trusting people. You should have in mind that he's a professional and knows how to control this behavior. We can already see some progress. Watch how he can hold the bowl with food and even be this near the dog without a problem. They're even accepting and understanding commands. It's unbelievable that these are the same dogs as the ones in the beginning. Look how well behaved they are now. It's a wonderful thing that he did not give up on them and showed them that there are good things and good people in his life. It's making our hearts melt, watching them this happy. Dogs are very intelligent creatures, and they deserve to be shown with love and attention. Look at all these tricks they can do now. The way these guys were transformed from aggressive to loving and understanding beings makes all of us believe in beautiful changes. Hard work definitely pays off. Always make sure to spread love and positivity everywhere you go.